Hello, grade 5. So after the break, after the spring vacation, we have to correct our worksheet for the final term, worksheet 2, okay? So starting by the first question, I have to calculate the following fractions, okay? Subtraction, addition of two fractions. Who can tell me, if I want to add two fractions, what's the first step I should check? Yes, Mariam.
If they have the same denominator.
Excellent. I need to check if they have the same denominator, because if they don't, I can't add them. Okay? In order to make them the same denominator, I need to multiply the denominators, as you know. Okay? But for the first one, as you see, I have a mixed number and a fraction. What do I have to do in this case? Who can tell me?
Multiply.
I need first
To make it the fraction.
very good. To change the mixed number to a fraction. How? Very good. So I need to make 2 times 12 plus 7. 2 times 12
24.
plus 7.
31.
Very good. So it's a 31 over 12 minus 8 over 10. So that was the first step, which is to change the mixed number into a fraction. Now I need to make the denominators the same. Okay? How? Times. Very good. How, Reem? Very good. So I need to multiply the 12 by 10 and the 10 by 12. Now, 31 times 10.
310.
Excellent. Over.
120.
Very good. Minus.
96.
Over. Very good. Now I can subtract them because I have the same denominator, which is 120. Now, 310 minus 96.
120.
What? 310 minus 96 is 4. I need to subtract it. 310 minus 96, it's 4. Now I need to borrow 10 minus 9, it's 1, 214. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes.
Now the same steps will be done on the second one. I need also to make the mixed number a fraction. How? 5 times 9
45.
plus 1.
46.
Very good. So it's 46 over 9 minus 5 over.
9.
But in this case, what can you see?
We can directly subtract them.
Excellent, because I have the same denominator, I can directly subtract them. 46 minus 5.
41 over 9.
Very good. Now I have addition of a mixed number with a fraction. What should I do first? Yes, Fatima.
3 times 12
Very good.
plus
Very good. 3 times 12 is 36 plus 2.
38.
Very good. So it's 38 over 12 plus 4. But I know that 4 is 4 over 1. Now I need to make them the same. How?
Times 12 times 1.
Very good. So 1 I need to multiply it by 12. Okay? Now what will I? Yes. 38 over 12 plus 48 over 12. Can I add them now?
Yes.
What do I get?
86.
86 over 12. Is this clear? Good. The last one. What should I do? 7 times 4 plus 1. 29 over 4. 3 times 9 plus 8
27
plus 8 is 35. Over.
9.
What should I do? Multiply the 4 by 9 and the 9 by 4. Excellent. Equals 29 times 9.
261.
261 over 36 plus 35 times 4
140.
over 36. If I add them, what do I get? 401 over 36. Is it clear? Good. Now question number 2. I need to find the product of the following numbers. Okay? The first one, I have 90.0 times 0.55. So if I have to multiply two numbers that have decimal point, I just ignore it. I multiply normally as I know. Then we will see what will happen. Okay? So first of all, I'm going to multiply the numbers. Yes, Fadl. 5 times 0, 0. 5 times 0, 5 times 9,
45.
excellent. So till now, I have the first one. Then I put plus. What do I do now? 0. Before I start anything. Again, 5 times 0, 5 times 0, and 45. Excellent. Now, 2 zeros. Okay? And I have 0, so it's all about zeros. Now you can add 0, 0, 5, 9, 4. So now I got the product. Now, what should I do? How can I put the point properly?
Count how many
I need
in the decimal part.
Excellent. So I need to count how many digits I have in the decimal part. So for the first number, I have 1 number in the decimal part. In the second number, I have 2 numbers in the decimal part. So a total of 3. So I start from the right to the left, digit by digit. I need to go 3 digits, right? 1, 2, 3. So the point is here. Do you agree? Yes. And the same will be done on all the other operations. So the second one. Who will help me? Habib. 2 times 3.
6.
2 times 0.
0.
2 times 2.
4.
And the last one. Excellent. Now plus, and I need to put
0.
excellent. 1 times 3. 1 times 0. 1 times 2. And 0. Yes, Habib. Now, what do? I add them.
6, 3, 4, 2, and
0. 0. Yes, it's 0. Now tell me, what should I do?
Move 3 to the...
Excellent. Because I have 3 digits in the decimal part, so I move 3 digits, so it's here. 2.436. Is it clear?
Yes.
Good. Now the third one. Who will help me? Fadl. 8 times 3. 24. So I put the 4 and 2 in hand. 8 times 6 is 48. Plus 2, 50. So I put the 0 and 5 in hand. 8 times 1 plus 5, 13. Okay? Now what should I do is plus, and I put a 0. Okay? 7 times 3, 21. Okay? So I put 1 and 2 in hand. 7 times 6,
42.
plus 2,
44.
excellent. So 4 and 4 in hand. 7 times 1,
7.
plus 4, excellent. So I put that. Now I put 2 zeros. And the rest are all zeros. Add 4, 1, 7, 2, 1. And how many digits I have in the decimal part? Excellent. 2 in the first one and 2 in the second one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The point is here. So it's 1.2714. And the last one. Yes, Adam. 6 times 0. 6 times 3.
18.
So 8 and 1 in hand. 6 times 4.
6 times 24.
Plus 1.
25.
Excellent. Plus 0. 4 times 0. 4 times 3.
12.
So 2 and 1 in hand. 4 times 4?
16, 17.
Excellent. Now I add them. 0,
0,
8,
7,
9 and 1. And how many times I have to move?
1.
1 time. So it's here. So the number is 1978 because point 0 is useless. Is it clear?
Yes.
Good. Now question number 3. I need to calculate mentally the following. Okay? So you have to know if I have times 10 times 100 times 1000, I move the point to the excellent. As much as I have zeros. If I have divide 10, divide 100, divide 1000, I move the point to the left as much as I have zeros. Is it clear? So the first one, I have times 100. So I have to move the point
Left to right.
right 2 times to the right. Okay? So 1, 2, so it's 957. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now the second one, 6.104 divide 100. Now I need to move the point to the left. How many times? 2 times. So 1, 2. The point should be here. Every empty place is filled with
0.
excellent. So it's 0.06104. Okay. The third one, yes, Karim. First, I have 0.001. What should I do? It should be converted to
Times.
yes. If I need to convert it to times,
1000.
excellent. Then the 0.001 is times 1000. And you all know that if I have times 1000, I move
3 times.
to the right. So here 1, 2, 3. So it's 2150. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Good. The last one, yes, Rena.
The last one, we move to the left.
But before you move to the left, divide 1000 because I have 3 zeros. So I need to go to the left how many times?
3 times.
Excellent. So 1, 2, 3. So it's 0.003152. Right? Okay. Now 1.088 times 1, it remains the same as it is, okay? Now I have divide 10. What do I do? What do I do if I have divide 10? Move to the left. How many times?
1.
So it's 0.8981. If I have divide 0.1, I change it to times.
10.
Very good. So I move 1 digit to the right, so it becomes 36.7. Now times 10, 92.236. Okay? Now question number 4, I have some problems I need to solve. Okay? The first problem is the height of a bear is around 2.5 meters. Okay? But the giraffe is nearly 1.8 times that of the bear. What's the key word that indicates the operation I need to make? Yes, Fatima? Times. Excellent. So it's 1.8 times. So that's why I need to make 2.5 times. Excellent. So is it clear?
Yes.
In every problem, there's a key word that indicates what's the operation I need to make. Now, what's the answer here? Who can tell me? What's the answer?
2.5 times
0.8 is what?
4.
Excellent. So it's 4 point. Excellent. So that's how I'm going to answer. A full answer. Yes,
The
Muhammad?
height of this giraffe is 4.15
meters. Excellent. So the height of the giraffe is 4.5 meters. Is it clear? So don't forget that you need to put a full answer. Okay? Now the second one says that a one disc is sold at 1,000 Lebanese lira. But Rima has 56,000 in her money box. So how many discs she can buy? Yes, Habib. What do you think I should make?
Divide.
Yes, excellent. Because this total amount will be divided on the total number of discs, right? That's why I need to divide this number in order to know how many discs she can buy. So what should I do? 56,000. Yes, Habib, divide 1,000, which is? Excellent. So I remove the zeros from both numbers, so I obtain 56. So what should I answer here, Habib?
Rima can buy.
Excellent. Rima can buy
56 CDs.
or discs. Yes. Excellent. Now the third problem. Sarah drinks 1/6 of her orange juice bottle. Jad drinks the 1/8 of this bottle, his bottle. How much did Sarah drink more than Jad? Before I start, what's the meaning of 1/6?
1/6.
Excellent. So now,
And Jad 1/8.
very good. And Jad is 1/8. I need to know how much did Sarah drink more than Jad. What do I need to do? Yes, Fatima.
1/6 minus 1/8.
Yes, 1/6 minus 1/8.
Sarah drinks 1/8.
But before I subtract them, what do I need to do? Times. Very good.
6 times 4.
Excellent.
4 times 4. 8 times 3. 1 times 3.
Very good. So what do I have now? 4/24 minus 3/24, which is?
1/24.
So what's the answer I should write, Muhammad?
Sarah drinks
Sarah drank
1/2.
1/24 more than Jad. Excellent. What key word indicates that I need to subtract?
How much?
How much more, right? How much more, which means that someone is greater than the other. In order to know the difference between them, what should I do? Minus. I subtract. Okay? Is it clear? Now, D. Amal buys a pizza cut in 8 portions. Let us draw a pizza, which is divided into how many pieces? 8 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are 8 portions. Okay? At lunch, how much did she eat? 2 portions. 1, 2. Okay? At dinner, she eats 2 other portions. So those are 2 other portions. So what's the fraction left? Excellent. So it's 4/8, which is half of the pizza. Now what's the answer I should make? 4/8 portions are left from the pizza. Okay? Good. Now question number 5. I need to perform the following divisions until I obtain what? A decimal number. Okay? So let us start by the first one. What do I have? 145 divide 8. Okay? So first I take the 1. 0 times 8 is 0 minus 1. Now I have 14. What's the number you multiplied by 8 to get 14? So I put 2. 2 times 8, no, 1, right? 1 times 8 is 8. 14 minus 8 is 6. Now what do I do? Put the 5 down. What's the number you multiplied by 8 to get 65? Who can tell me? What's the number?
64.
Excellent. So it's 8. 8 times 8 is 64. And the remainder is 1. Do I stop? What do I do? Excellent. So I put points and I put a 0. Now what's the number you multiplied by 8 to get 10?
Nothing.
So yes, 1 times 8 is,
Minus 2.
so it's 2. Now what do I do?
Put 0.
Another 0.
0. 8. Nothing.
2. 16. Now it's 4. What do I do? Another 0. So it's 5. 40 minus 0. Is it clear? So what's the answer is 18.125. Is it clear?
Yes.
Excellent. The second one? The second one? Let us do the second one. What do I have? 850 divide 4. I take the 8. 2 times 4? 8. I subtract it and I have 5. 1. 1 times 4?
Minus 4.
And now I have 10. What do I do? Another 2. 2 times 4? 8. And I subtract?
20.
So now what do I do? Point 0. 5.
0.
Okay?
Yes.
Now the third one. Let us put first the result, which is 212.5.
Yes.
The third one. What do I have? 553 divided by 2. I take the 5. So the 2 should be multiplied by
2.
2. 2 times 2?
4.
I subtract, I get 1 and 5. So I need to multiply 7 times 2.
14.
Subtract them 1. 13. So 6 times 2 is, subtract them 1. Point and the 0. 5 times 2, 10 minus 0, 0. Excellent. Now the last one. Let us put the answer, which is 276.5. The last one, what do I have? 631 divided by, so I take the 6. So I multiply the 5 by 1. Now I put the 3 down. So I need to multiply by 2. 2 times 5? 10. 3. So I put the 1 down. 6. 30. The remainder is 1. So point and 0. So I multiply by 2. 10. 0, 0. So the final answer is 126.2. Is it clear?
Yes.
Good.